Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable news and interest from appearing on the Windows 10 taskbar on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the personalization tile, and then select taskbar on the left side. On the right side, scroll down underneath news and interest. Where it says show news and interest on the taskbar, you can toggle that on or off and then adjust the additional sub settings below it as well. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.